Hello guys and welcome in this video. I will tell you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. If you want to fix this issue, then don't skip the video and let's follow my steps. So the first thing to do is click on connecting to access proxy settings. Click on this. Icon delete the server name and replace it with 142.93.6.8.63. Now delete the port name and type 2434. Then in the username section, type VPN. Enter your password. Unlimited. Once done, click on confirm. If this don't fix your issue, then simply just disconnect the proxy and try to download VPN from Play Store or App Store. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.